Does working on Tally leave you feeling like you're trying to solve a Rubik's Cube? Well, it's time to simplify things. Because today, we are diving into Tally. You'll know the tricks to make your Tally experience smoother than your morning coffee. Don't worry, we're not going to overwhelm you with all the nitty-gritty. We are keeping it light, simple, and fun. So buckle up and let's get tallying. Okay, first things first. What exactly is Tally? It's basically the Swiss Army knife of accounting software. Whether you are a small business owner or a finance pro, Tally helps you manage invoices, keep track of payments, manage inventory, and a whole lot more all in one place. It's like having a super-powered spreadsheet that does all the hard work for you, without the endless rows and columns driving you crazy. Now let's talk shortcuts. If you're still clicking around Tally like it's $19.99, you're missing out on some serious time savers. Here are a few must-know keyboard shortcuts that will make you feel like a Tally ninja. Number 1. Alt+C. It creates new ledgers on the fly. It's like magic. Pop, a new ledger appears. Number 2. Ctrl+A. Saves any entry instantly. Forget clicking save. This is the ultimate time hack. Number 3. Alt+F1. It gives detailed reports at your fingertips. Want to dive deep into your data? Boom! One shortcut and you're in. Number 4. Alt+D. Delete entries faster than your morning alarm snooze. Just don't delete your entire balance sheet. With these shortcuts, you'll be breezing through Tally faster than your last online shopping spree. Invoicing in Tally doesn't have to be as scary as it sounds. Think of it as making a shopping list. You just need to know what's going where. Let me show you how you can set up and send invoices without any headaches. Number 1. Open the invoice screen. Number 2. Select the party ledger. Okay, there's a pro tip. Use Alt+C if you need to create a new one. Number 3. Enter the items, quantity, and rates. And number 4. Hit save, or remember, Ctrl+A does the trick. And done, your invoice is ready to go. Now that wasn't so bad, was it? Now what's Tally really good for? Reports. But don't worry, you won't need to be a finance genius to get the info you need. Number 1. Profit and loss. A quick glance and you'll know whether your business is sailing or sinking. Number 2. Balance sheet. Think of it as the health checkup for your finances. Are you healthy or is something out of place? Number 3. Inventory reports. Need to know what's in stock? Done and done. It's like having a personal assistant that delivers all the info without making you wait. Okay, we have covered the basics, but want to know something cool? Tally has hidden gems that most people never use. Number 1. Multi-currency accounting. Doing business overseas? Tally's got you covered. Number 2. Cost centers. Track different departments or projects separately and see where's the money going. Number 3. Budgeting. Yes, Tally even lets you set up budgets and compare them to your actual expenses. With these extra tools, you'll be able to unlock the full power of Tally. No extra downloads or upgrades required. And there you have it. From shortcuts to invoicing, reports, and hidden gems, you have got the tools to make your Tally experience smoother than ever. Now, it's your turn. Try out these tips and tricks and let me know in the comments which one blew your mind the most. And hey, if you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Imarticus Learning for more easy to follow finance and tech content. Until next time, happy tallying!